Hey everyone, Rob here with Buy SEO Services, and today I wanted to do a WordPress installation tutorial. So what we're going to be doing is installing WordPress on our cPanel website hosting platform. So you can see that I'm already logged into my cPanel, and what I'm going to do is scroll down to where we see software right here, and we're going to go to quick install. So we're going to click on quick install, and as you can see inside this quick install tab, we have the option to install WordPress, Joomla, Drupal, or other content management systems. But for the sake of this tutorial, we are going to be installing WordPress. And let me go ahead and say right now that this is a WordPress installation on a brand new clean cPanel web host. So I don't have any other domains or anything hosted here. There is a way where you can actually have multiple WordPress installations on a shared cPanel web host in the case that you're hosting multiple sites on one account or what have you. But for the sake of this tutorial, we are only going to be dealing with the conditions of setting up our brand new cPanel and installing WordPress. So my cPanel host is set up. I'm here in the quick install menu, and now it says install WordPress for free. I'm going to click on install WordPress here, and it's going to take me down to this screen where it's going to give me the option of choosing a domain name. So right here, if I had multiple domains in this account, this is where I would select the domain I want. In this case, I only have one domain, so that's the one I'm going to select. Now, as far as the install path goes, this actually reads install /path/ here. This would be only used if you were installing this WordPress installation outside of your root directory. In this case, we want this installation to go into the public HTML folder, so we're going to leave that blank. I'm going to put in my administrative email here. I'm going to give my blog a title. I'm going to type in my admin username. It's important to note here that the administrative email and blog title can be changed in the future. The admin user, I believe, cannot be changed, so it's better to go ahead and get it right the first time. Okay? And as far as first and last name goes here, you can use your real name if you want to, or if you have a persona you've created, you could input that persona name, or you can input what you would prefer your name to be. If you want to call yourself Darth Vader or Stewie Griffin or whatever, then you can do that here. But I'm just going to go ahead and put in my name here. And I'm going to click on install WordPress. And you see this annoying little pop-up here. It's offering to try to sell you WordPress themes. I'd go ahead and close that out if I were you. And we'll come back. And we're back. Wow, that was quick. Okay, now you can see right here it says view credentials. Now, a copy of those credentials and where you go to log into your WordPress website should have been emailed to the administrative email that you used on the previous screen. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to view these credentials. I'm going to select all this stuff, and I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to paste it inside a notepad file that I already have prepared, and I'm going to save it. And I would advise you guys save this information somewhere where you know where to get it, a location on your computer, in a notepad file, or perhaps an Excel spreadsheet, something where you know where it's going to be. Because if you're like me and you have a lot of passwords, then chances are you don't try to commit all of them to memory. You just save them somewhere, not in a file called passwords, but in a file that you'll recognize. And that way you can have a backup for yourself. So now if we go to rdb.fun, then you can see website coming soon, and there's a big button here that says admin login, and I can just go ahead and click on that, and it should take me to a login screen where I can log in. So I will come back over here, copy out my credentials, paste them in here. That way there's no chance of anything being screwed up, because when you type stuff, there's always a better chance that it can be screwed up. But when you copy and paste, it's a lot easier. I'm going to click remember me, click login, and here we are. We are right here in our brand new WordPress website. So that's going to be it for this tutorial. I will probably dig in later on in a future tutorial about how to navigate and what to do once you're logged into your WordPress website. But for now, this has just been how to install WordPress on a cPanel website host. So I hope you guys got some value out of this. If you do me a favor, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you like this kind of thing. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this. I do sincerely appreciate it. And until next time, I'll talk to you.